Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run your Java code in online using online compiler. So just go to your favorite browser. For me, I'm in Google Chrome. So here you just have to say Java online compiler. And here you can see program is, just go here, online compiler. And here if I go, you can see we have a different language compiler here available. You can actually write here JavaScript, HTML, CSS, everything. And now here you can see they have run a simple code for us. You can actually run it by clicking the run, and here you can see the output here, right? Program is .pro. But let's say here we have some error. Let's say I don't want to actually use here this brackets. Okay, if I run the code, here you can see the error. So I have removed the square brackets, right? So yeah, they are actually showing us the error. And here you can see I have Control Z also, right? It means here undo and redo will also work. You just have to mention like this, and here you can see redo, and here you can see Control G for undo. Through this side you just have to bookmark it. Just click here and then done, and here all bookmark, just drag and drop it like this, and here anytime actually you can go here and run it. If I say hello world, if I run the code, and here you can see the output will be hello world. Yeah, hello world. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.